ready, and go.
This camp is your camp. This camp is my camp. In California, right next to Big Bear. We're having fun with our dads. This camp was made for you and me. We saw the stars. We climbed the wall. We rode some horses. Made some walls. We shot some arrows, not at each other. This camp was made for you and me. We are the Ocean Girls in Cabin 7. When we're at Camp Oaks, we are in heaven. Our dads are snoring, but we still love them. This camp was made for you and me.
Now, this camp was made for